Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In today's vlog, we will be walking from Thagnak to Chola Pass, and this is going to be the most hectic day of our whole trip because it's going to be around 650 meters of elevation gain and around 9 to 10 kilometers of walk. And we will be walking through the glacier, which is going to be another adventure. Highest point today will be 5,400 meters at Chola Pass. Goodbye to Thagnak. You can see how beautiful the mountain looks when the sun is falling on it. This is the path we are following towards Chola Pass. It's been 1 hour. We have been walking on steep path. It's very cold because there is no sun yet hitting us. The temperature is in damn minus 12, minus 15, and the hands are like freezing. It's very cold. And most of the path you will be going through the boulders. Here you can see. Look at these people, tired of cold. Finally I'm in the sun now. It feels so good. So after 2.5 hour hike, we have arrived at a point which is at an altitude of 5,189 meters. This has been checked in a barometer app by my friend here. Amazing. The view all around the mountains, they are spectacular. Here you can see the Sherpa brother who has climbed Everest 5 times, and he is smoking at an altitude of 5,100 meters. Yes. So there you see is the most critical path, the climbing portion that we will have to go to get to the Chola Pass. Walking with around 17 to 18 kgs on an elevation of 5,000, above 5,000 meter elevation. Oh my god, it's damn tough. This here you can see is the climbing path that we need to take, go all the way up. There you can see some of the people. This is a straight, steep 150 meter of inclined climbing that we have to do. So it's pretty steep climb. It's gonna be hard, pretty hard. We are now at 5,306 meters, and that you see is where the Chola Pass starts. So it will be 5,400, another 100 meters to climb. That is the path. You can see people climbing. So it took us 5.5 hours to reach Chola Pass, and here we are. We had some food here, the packlers that we got from the hotel where we stayed last night at Thagnak. That's the glacier that we will be crossing. So that's the glacier we need to walk, cross and go towards Zongla. Right now we are walking on the Chola Pass glacier. This is all a glacier. The path is little slippery here, so there are chances that you may slip if you don't walk into the fresh snow. Because of the sun, the snow has melted and it's slippery. After Chola Pass, it's a gradual descent. After Chola Pass, these peaks look so closer. After 7.5 hours, we have finally arrived at Zangla. That is Zangla. You can see some of the cottages there. When starting from Thagnak, make sure that you carry at least 3 liters of water, because on the way you will not find anything. There are some small streams from where you can fill up, but it's important that you should carry 3 liters of water. It's 3 p.m. in Zongla and we want to go to Lobuche. We thought that it's better to move to Lobuche. We are fit and fine, so we want to cover it today itself. So let's go. 4,830 meters, Zongla. That there behind the cloud, if you can see the houses, that's Zangla. That's from where we started at 3:30 p.m. If you guys like the video, please do share, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.